So, hello everyone. I would like to welcome to all of you to our this session of YouTube channel. So, in this session, we will try to resume our paper solving of the SSB political science. Okay. So, uh, in the last session, we did discuss about the 14 number questions. Okay, and we will start our discussion from the question number 15. Okay, so we'll try to analyze that how they asked the question, from which topic the major question dominated, and what is the trend. Okay, according to the last year examination also, 2016 2021. Okay, and what we have to focus. Okay, okay, so let's start our discussion. Let me zoom. Okay, that question number 15, that who said Leninism is the Marxism of era of imperialism and the proletarian revolution. Okay, so it is the basically option A Stalin, option B Mao, option C Che Guevara, and option D Fidel Castro. So it is said by the Stalin. Okay, so it is a factual question that you have to remember, that Stalin says that Leninism is the Marxism. So, okay, that is the era of imperialism. Okay, and proletarian revolution said by Stalin. Okay, and you have to also go through the Mao Zedong's basically the statement, like Mao Zedong says that the power is flow from the barrel of the gun. Okay, so that statement is already asked in your basically UGC. Okay, political science, so you can expect it from here. Okay, then question number 16. Okay, next question number is like 16. They ask the question, read the following statement and identify the correct ones. Okay, identify the correct ones. Okay, that talks about correct. Okay, so you have to that see what is the correct answer here. Option A, social justice derived from the moral consideration. Okay, option second, social justice is a negation of the justice. Option third, social justice violate the principle of equality. So they basically ask the question, and you have to be attempt this question on the basis of elimination method. Okay, first option is totally correct. Yes, because it is based on the morality, because social justice itself talks about how the morality, concept of morality should be inculcated in the society, that ensuring the equality in the society, eliminate the discrimination in the society on the basis of caste, on the basis of the religion, language. That is how the social justice is from the moral consideration. Totally correct. So you can see that where the option first is are not present, then you can eliminate that option. So option B, first option present, no, eliminate. Option D, first or present, no, eliminate. Then option A and option C. Okay, social justice, see the option second, social justice is a negation of justice. No, it's incorrect. Okay, okay, because social justice is not negation of justice. It talks about how can justice ensure in the society. Okay, in the real sense, that's why it is not negation. So option second you can eliminate, option C is already eliminated. Then our answer is like option A, it's our correct answer. Okay, okay, then moving forward, question number 17. Okay, that Thomas Pogge is known for what? So Thomas Pogge is known for what? Option A, feminism. Option B, global justice. Option C, the distributive justice. Option D, communitarianism. So Thomas Pogge is famous for the global justice, so it is our correct answer. Okay, okay, so Thomas Pogge is famous for the concept of global justice. Okay, so you have to remember this thing. And why the Thomas Pogge basically global justice is gave? Now he gave his concept of justice critic to the John Rawls theory of justice. So you have to understand also the rationale behind the global justice. Okay, okay, so this is the global justice. And the global resource divided concept also given by Thomas Pogge. So concept of what? G R D. Okay, concept of global resource divided, or the concept of global justice is given by Thomas Pogge. That is going to be asked in your examination. Okay. Then next question, question number 18. Okay, they ask the question, the concept that concentrate on refining the familiar framework of the liberal democracy. Okay, okay, liberal democracy is known as what? It's talk about that concept which concentrate to refine the familiar framework of the liberal democracy is known as what? Option A, it is a procedural democracy. Option B is people's democracy. Option C is representative democracy. Option D, it is deliberative democracy. So answer is deliberative democracy. Why it is deliberative democracy? Because the familiar framework of liberal democracy that talks about that how can be the discussion, deliberation, debate, okay, and the concept of the tolerations can be inculcated in the society. Okay, each and every individual can put their own view on own opinion in particular policy, particular social event, social cohesion, okay, can be ensured. So that talks about the liberal democracy and it is associated with the deliberate democracy. But in representative democracy, that is the concept of toleration are not that majority form the government. So how can you ensure the concept of deliberation, discussion, debate? So we can say that here liberal democracy is more appropriate to the basically refining the familiar framework of the deliberate democracy. Okay, okay, so this is how answer is D. So not the answer is basically the repeated democracy. So it is not, okay, because deliberate democracy talk about the allowing the proper consensus, okay, proper participation, okay, that is how the concept. Then next question in front of you that talks about the list first with list basically second and the odd one. Okay, odd one, first option talk about modernization theory. Okay, option B talks about civic culture. Option C talks about feminism promoter. Option D green politics. Okay, what is the odd one? Odd one is like feminism promoter. Okay, okay, so feminism promoter is the odd one. And modernization theory, it is a concept of talks about how political development, okay, civic culture also talks about the level of the political development which is given by Almond and Vorba. It totally correct. Then green politics, it talks about the identity politics, talks about the politics of modernization, or talks about the how contemporary society are understand. Okay, so it is also correct. But feminism promoter, it is a ideology. But this is the odd one. And the all the three options, it talks about that how the political development there, how the issue are present. Okay, so one talks about political representation and other talks about the your what the ideology as a like feminism ideology. So this is how the correct answer is. Basically you can see here the correct answer is like the option C. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Okay, option C is the correct answer. So this is how basically you have to check or you have to prepare. Okay, then moving forward, uh, next question, like question number 20, that idea of political legitimacy. Okay, idea of political legitimacy is associated with whom? Option A Karl Marx, option B Max Weber, option C Immanuel Durkheim, and option D Talcott Parsons. So option B is Max Weber is answers, because Max Weber is famous for the concept of the political legitimacy. Do you know he talks about the three kind of authority? Okay, the traditional authority, the legal authority. Okay, okay. Then also he talks about rational authority. Okay, rational legal authority, and from that he talk about it is a political legitimacy. Okay, it is the Max Weber, you have to remember. And also you can remember the Max Weber books, that can they ask the questions. Okay, we can also remember the concept of ideal type of bureaucracy of Max Weber. Okay, and your homework is that search and make a note of that in which book Max Weber gave the concept of authority, that they can ask the question. The next question is like 21, that Plato's concept of communism. Okay, Plato's concept of communism is for what? Option A, it is for philosopher worker. Option B, it is for the philosopher or the soldier. Okay, option C, it is the soldier and worker. Option D, it is the philosopher, it is the soldier, it is the worker. So option B is our answer, that Plato's concept of communism communism is for the what? Philosopher and the soldier. He talks about the concept of communism for what? The philosopher and soldier. Okay, so those are not known proper about the Plato's concept of theory of justice, Plato's concept of the why he not considered as feminism, not considered as the fascist. You can also search in our name, there is also already a class on it. Okay, then question number 22 you can see also here. Okay, so question number 22 you can see also here. Read the statement and identify the correct one. Okay, option 1, according to Plato, okay, the individual, the state is individual writ large. Yes, it is correct. Then state is society writ large. No, it is incorrect. Okay, Plato was a fast fascist. No, it's not basical thing. Okay, what is correct? Only one is correct. So this is our answer. Okay, why he is considered the individual? Basically, state is a individual writ large because he talks about the individual has a three soul, and in a similar line, the state has a three kind of classes. That's why it is the state which is a large form or large version of the individual. Basically, the proportion. Okay, that is how the things. Then question number 23. Okay, question number 23. Question number 23, that read the statement and identify the correct one. Okay, so option first talk about according to Aristotle. Okay, that the cause of revolution is man's desire for equality. Okay, and love for the gain and labor. Okay, that means the revolution, what is the cause of revolution, why revolution take place? Aristotle trying to talks about now ensuring equality or ensuring the honor or gain in society. The revolution is basically take place. Then option second talks about Aristotle dislike the undue importance of some individual in public life. Okay, Aristotle talks about that there is a undue importance of some individual in public life. The concept of citizenships. Okay, if you remember the concept of citizenship of basically Aristotle, that talks what? That all individual basically in society are not included in the as a citizenships. Okay, so it is the few individual who include in the basically the citizenships. Like that's why he talks about there is a undue importance of some individual, be it your old woman, be it your old man, be it your woman, be it your foreigner, be it your children. Okay, they are the not important according to what? According to I would say the Aristotle. That's why he talks about there is a undue importance of some individual in public life. Option third talks about Aristotle said that a master can use slave for the leisure. Yes, Aristotle talks about the utility point of understanding of the slavery, that slavery can use by the master for the participation or to take a time to take part in political or public affairs. That's why option third is correct. So all the three option is correct and answer is like D. Okay, answer is like D. So this is the all about the thing. Okay, then next question in front of you, that who was regarded as a logical thinker and a philosopher of science. Okay, so logical thinker, okay, and a philosopher of science. Option A is Plato, option B Aristotle, option C Spinoza, option D Socrates. So it is answer is like Aristotle. Okay, because Aristotle concept of the theory of state is or the theory of justice, or Aristotle itself is a logical thinker because his idea more based on pragmatic, the concept of golden mean of golden rule, more basically we can say that the practical in nature. Okay, and he also philosopher of science because he used the empirical method in study of 158 constitution. He used the scientific method. Okay, how he influenced because from his father, okay, Nicomachus, as a physician, from the his father he developed the basically the concept of reason science. So he is a logical thinker and also a philosopher of science. So option B is our answer, the Aristotle. Okay, from Aristotle they asked the two questions. One is that who is a major like responsible for evolution of political theory, and also they asked the question a logical thinker and philosopher of the science. So answer is like the Aristotle is our answer. Okay. Okay, this is the what we basically generally understand. Okay, and this is all about for the today sessions. Okay, and in upcoming session we also try to cover the rest of question of our SSB political science, the whole paper understanding, and we will also tell you that how you have to focus and what the trend they ask the question. Okay, so here you can easily identify that how they basically ask the question. Okay, okay, that they basically generally ask the question on the basis of conceptual and also the fact based question. Okay, you can see like those questions. Okay, and they try to ask this pattern of the 2023 of SSB something comprehensive nature. They frame the question not only one aspect of a particular idea, particular theory, particular thinker, but a multiple understanding of a particular thinker or a particular theory. They're trying to check a comprehensive thought or understanding of a candidate for becoming a lecturer in political science. Okay, so for that we have to study this important political thought, important political questions on the basis of comprehensive way in a detailed manner, and to encounter each and every aspect of it very basically the logical way. Okay, so for that you have to take each and every classes of our which is right now has been conducted in a series manner, and also quiz are conducted in regular basis in our Telegram channel, and PDF is also provided in our channel, only the one and only channel Tapash Pradhan Kumar Pradhan ki Pathashala. So do join at earlier times, that you will also get the notification of it. This is all about from my our side, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, thank you so much.